Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the Phat contract. I'm going to show you how I deploy my first Phat contract using only 20 Phala tokens. Phala network is a Web3 cloud computing, and they bridge the gap between Web2 and the Web3 by releasing this Phat contract. Phat contract achieves seamless integration across EVM and the substrate. They have been used by a lot of famous protocols. For example, the InverArch network is one of them. And so the InverArch network, they have the NFT called Eurodollar. If you watch my video before, you probably know the Eurodollar NFT. It's really interesting NFT, not just an NFT, it's a DAO, and also they have a lot of new updates. And so for the Phat contract will be used in the Eurodollar, we are going to see more applications of the Phat contract from Phala network. Now let's directly take a look at that. First thing I would like to mention is you don't really need any coding experience. Anyone can deploy the Phat contract quite easily. They have the blueprint you can directly use. They also have the Nance API Oracle that you can directly use. And so with the help of the Phat contract, you can connect your app with Polygon and some other chains, and also the off-chain computing. And so it supports all the EVM compatible chains, including the Ethereum, Polygon, all of those chains. If you have the coding experience, you can also customize that. So here first you need to connect your wallet, and I here use a JS wallet. But once you connect, you need to have at least 20 Phala token in your wallet. And so I finally get 20 Phala token, and it took me a while actually to connect the wallet. I guess we need to sign and create the user profile. So after that's done, now you can deploy your project. And so to start with, you can use a blueprint, and they also have the code for the Oracle data, for example, the follower or something like that. So you can do fast with the blueprint. So here I use a blueprint, put the project name, and we pick the object like user stats, and this is from their Oracle, and also the total followers. Move forward, we are going to deploy the Nance API. Also you need to sign and create your profile, start to deploy the contract. You need to sign several times actually. I will add the stake with some fees. So here I just use a default. So all of them I use a default, and then I can deploy. So right now the balance you can see here, I have more than 30 Phala token. And then I need to spend some gas fee. So ultimately I think I spent 20 Phala token around. And then you just need to wait for a while, and finally it's deployed. So that's my first Phat contract, and deployed with the Nance API Oracle. So I think this Oracle will help you to keep track of all the followers, and it can also connect to some other EVM like Ethereum and Polygon as well. While this is just a start, that means you can customize your Phat contract, and here it shows you how it works, and so you can deploy that, and you can build applications on top of that. So it's not done yet. As you can see here, there are some other settings you have to go through, but I just don't want to spend the time to do that now. I don't think many of us are that interested. But anyhow, that's a first Phat contract I have deployed, so it's wonderful, and I'm looking forward to some more applications from the Phala network. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.